Hi everyone, welcome back to My Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show some quick and easy steps on how to add friends in Subway Surfers without Facebook. So without any further ado, let's get started. Launch the Subway Surfer app on a device and wait for it to load to the home screen. From the home screen, tap on the top round icon which is usually at the bottom of your avatar. Now tap on Friends button. If you're not using Facebook, look for the option Add Friend button. You can share your player tag with your friend by tapping on the copy icon beside your player ID. Or ask your friend to share their QR or player ID and you simply paste it into the input box. Then tap on your friend's profile. Then click on the Add Friend button. Once the request is accepted, your friend will appear on the friends list. And that's how you can add friends in Subway Surfers without Facebook.